Hey friends, welcome to my channel Learn with Kids. So today we are going to see some of the worksheet which is related to tally marks for kids. So let's get started. So before going further, let's know what is tally and how we can explain to our kids. So basically tally marks are the form of numerals that is used for counting and mostly used for counting ongoing results like any games or any sports where the scores or the final result is not yet decided. So we can see with example like you can see here I have made two teams like team A and team B for any sports like cricket or football, anything you may say. So let's suppose if we take football, so here the team A you can see. So if team A has done one, like team A does the goal, so it gets 1 point, and same way if the team B gets 1 point, so we'll write 1 point for team B as well. But again when the team A does the goal, we need to rub it. The 1 point, we can't write like 1, 2, 3 and ongoing like numbers like that. So we need to rub the 1, then we have to make it 2. Again if they goal, so we have to rub the 2 number and we have to make the 3. Whereas if we want, the tally will make it very easy. So in here we can see that in tally we just need to make a standing lines to count one after one, which makes the like process very easy and very faster as well. So tally mark is basically a group of 5. Like we make a standing like 1, 2, 3, 4 standing line, and the fifth one will cross it. So it will make a group of 5. So it will become 5. So again if the team gets 5, so it will become 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So it can be added like that. It will be very easy. Don't need to rub it. So basically this is a small thing definition you can say that we can explain to our kids, and this is the way it has been written. Like you can see here I have given like 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. When we do 5, we cross it. So the slanting line is called the fifth number. Same way if I will do 6, so here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we will cross it, and one more standing line will make 6 scores, right? Same way 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is the way the tally we can introduce to our kids. It will be really easy as well as fun for kids. Now let's see some of the worksheet of tally. So here is the first worksheet where you can see the kid need to match the mittens. So on the left hand side, as you can see, I have given some tally, and on the right hand side I have given some numbers, right? So what the kid need to do, they need to find the tally for respected number and they need to match it. Like suppose as you can see on the first mitten there is 3 lines, that means it is 3. So they will go to and match to the number 3. Same way, move on to the second mitten. Here you can see there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, crossed 5. So it is 5 group. That is means it's 5 and plus 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 9 tally marks. So they will match it with the 9 number. So same way they will match with the tally marks with the number, and they need to complete the worksheet. Now this is the second worksheet where the kid need to count the object and write the tally mark and the number. So here as you can see I have given some of the pictures, and what the kid need to do, that they need to count the whatever the objects are there. Like here as you can see it's sharpener. So how many sharpeners it is? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 6. So they need to write on the number section 6, the new number 6, and they need to make the tally mark of 6. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they will cross it, and then one more, that will become 6. So same way they need to complete all the objects number. They need to count, they need to write, and they need to make the tally mark of it, and they need to complete the worksheet. Now this is the next worksheet where the kid need to count the tally marks and write the value of each set. So here as you can see I have given some of the tally marks on the right hand side, and I have not mentioned the number, how much it is. So that's what the kid need to do. They need to count the tally marks and they need to write the numbers. For example, as you can see here on the first number it is 5 and then 6. So they will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 1, 6. So they need to write 6. Same way let's go to the second one. So here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and then 11 and 12. So whatever the numbers are there, so they need to count the tally marks and they need to write the numbers, and same way they need to complete all the worksheet. Now this is the next worksheet which is really fun and interesting worksheet for kids. So here what the kid need to do, that they need to count, tally and graph. So here as you can see I have made some of the picture. Like you can see here I have made butterfly, the clouds, and and ice creams and the smiley face. So what the kid need to do, they need to count, like let's suppose there are some ice creams, right? So they need to count the ice cream, how many they are. So they will count 1 2 3 4 5. So there are 5 ice creams, right? So they will write on the section of here on the left hand side, I'm sorry, on the left hand side they will write the number 5, and they have to tally it, like how the 5 we do the tally mark. So they have to make the tally marks on the left hand side, and on the graph side they need to count, like they need to count the graph 1 2 3 4 5 upward direction. They have to count in the upward direction of that particular object, and they need to color that much of graph, how much the number it is. If let's suppose if it is ice cream, so if we have 5 ice cream, so they will count for 5 graphs, like 1 2 3 4 5, and they will stop there, and that 5 graphs they need to color it with same color. Same way they can use another different colors for another different objects to color the graph, as well as they need to do the tally marks for every object. They need to count, and they need to do the tally marks on the left hand side, and then same way they need to complete the worksheet. Now this is the next worksheet, as you can see, where here as you can see I have given some of the columns where I have given some numbers from 1 to 10, and I have given a trend frame, and there are some number of words and they need to tally. So what the kid need to do, that there is number 1 for example, so in the 10 frame they need to color one box, and they need to write in the number word, they need to write the number 1 as a word, like one, and they need to make the tally mark of 1. Same way they will go for 2. So in the 10 frame they will color 2 boxes with any color they likes, and they can write the number word of 2, like TWO2, and they can make the tally mark of 2. Same way they will do all the process till 10, and they will complete the worksheet. Now this is the last worksheet of tally worksheet, where the kid need to add and write the answer in a tally marks. So here as you can see I have given some of the sums of additions, where the kid need to do the sum, like 3 plus 7 how much. So the kid will do 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. So they will write 10, and they will make the tally mark of 10. So they will write 1 2 3 4 5, then 6 7 8 9 10. So they need to, whatever the answer they will get, they will write the number, and they will do the answer, whatever the answer they will get, they will make the tally mark of that particular answer. Same way if they get 1 plus 5 how much, they will get 6. So they will make the tally mark of 6. So same way they will do all the addition, and they will whatever the answer they will get, they will do the tally mark of that, and same way they need to complete this full worksheet. That's all for today's videos friends. I hope it will be helpful for your kid. If you like my video, please hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel for further such type of videos related to kids worksheet. And if you want to have some queries or comment, do comment me in the comment box. Thank you.